Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be creating a rain and umbrella program using visual coding. In this program, when the cat sprite comes into contact with the rain sprite, it should trigger the message "Press O" to open an umbrella, and then the umbrella should appear. Only when we press O's key in our keyboard. To begin, click on the IDE icon to create a new project.
Then, choose a sprite by clicking on Choose a Sprite. Select Rain Sprite and Umbrella Sprite. Ensure you adjust their positions appropriately. To change the size of the sprite, just modify the value here. Click here and adjust the direction of the umbrella. Ensure that the umbrella sprite is positioned above the rain sprite. Now, let's move on to coding for this program. Make sure that the cat sprite is selected. Initiate the program by clicking on the flag. Go to the event block and choose when flag clicked. To make the cat move forward, go to the motion block and select Move 10 steps. For continuous movement, select the control block, choose Forever, and place the Move 10 steps block inside it. To introduce a pause in the walking, add a wait 1 second block. Now let's set the rules. If the cat touches the rain sprite, display the message "Press O" to open the umbrella. In the control block, choose the GIF then block. In the sensing block, select touching mouse pointer. And change it to a rain image. In the looks block, select to say hello for 2 seconds. And change it to Press O to open the umbrella. This script will make the cat display the message when it touches the rain sprite. Next, select the umbrella sprite. We aim to display the umbrella sprite when the O key on the keyboard is pressed and hide it when the C key on the keyboard is pressed. Navigate to the events block and choose when flag is clicked. Show the umbrella when pressing O, hide it otherwise with the hide option in the looks block. Click on the space key is pressed from the events block and select O. In the looks block, choose Show. To hide it when the C key on the keyboard is pressed, pick it when the space key is pressed, and modify it to C. Proceed to the looks block. Choose Hide and place it beneath the A when C is pressed. Execute the program by clicking on the flag icon. When the meow gets close to the rain, it stops and asks you to press O to open the umbrella. Pressing the O key makes the umbrella appear, and pressing C hides it again. Save the program by clicking here and providing it with an appropriate name. Thank you.